In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select display, and here you will notice wallpaper. Just mark it. It's time to select the album from which you would like to pick this picture, the profile picture. It can be photo album or wallpapers album. Let me choose wallpapers. And here you can smoothly pick some particular picture that you would like to apply. Okay, so we cannot scroll it. Let me go back, then you can smoothly go back and then check the other possibilities. You can also go back and pick some other folder. Here is the current one. You can also choose one from your own photos. I'm not sure if I do have any here. Actually, I do. So I can pick, for example, this one. But let me go back to default wallpapers and I will pick this one. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to cover your home screen, lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick both. And as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.